In this first eerie and perplexing Ring doorbell encounter, we capture a mysterious, masked intruder's daring break-in during the dead of night. This brazen trespasser targeted a local cafeteria, on the hunt for any forgotten valuables after closing time. As you'll see, not only did they search for hidden treasures, but they also left a trail of vandalism in their wake. In this intriguing Ring doorbell encounter, we witness a man lurking in front of a residence, his intentions shrouded in uncertainty. He appears to be on the hunt for a hidden spare key, meticulously searching under the doormat and scrutinizing the porch. In this heart-pounding Ring doorbell encounter, a brazen intruder in broad daylight, boldly approaching a residence with mischief on his mind. With audacity, he attempts a quick check of the door, hoping to find it unlocked and gain unauthorized entry. In this suspenseful Ring doorbell clip, a mysterious visitor under the cloak of night. With swift and furtive movements, this individual approaches a home, intent on a covert mission. However, as they attempt to check the door, they quickly discover it's securely locked, thwarting their plans. In this spine-tingling Ring doorbell moment, we capture a shadowy figure prowling through the darkness of a private property in the dead of night. With calculated stealth, this mysterious intruder explores the premises, his intentions unclear. Watch closely as he daringly attempts to test the door lock, perhaps hoping it might be left unlocked.
What do you want?
In this alarming Ring doorbell moment, a mysterious figure, concealed by a hoodie, seizes an opportunity as they come across an unlocked door. With audacity, they breach the threshold and invade the private space within. In this unsettling Ring doorbell moment, we capture a mysterious individual skulking around a residential property under the cover of night. With a series of daring attempts, he checks the door, hoping to find it unlocked. As if that weren't enough, he even resorts to using the flashlight on his phone to meticulously scour the porch for any items worth absconding with. In this tension-filled Ring doorbell moment, we witness an ominous figure prowling around a private residence, their intentions concealed in the shadows. With stealthy movements, they approach the door, hoping to gain unauthorized entry. However, their sinister plans come to a halt as they discover that the door is securely locked. In this intriguing Ring doorbell moment, an enigmatic woman's late-night visit to a residential front yard. With a subtle, yet suspicious demeanor, she stylishly attempts to open the door, only to be seemingly caught off guard. Her bewildered gaze suggests that she may be at the wrong address, leaving us with unanswered questions. In this heart-pounding Ring doorbell moment, a man's daring attempt to access a private residence. With a sense of urgency, he tries to enter the house, only to encounter an insurmountable obstacle: the door is securely locked. In this riveting Ring doorbell moment, a man, shrouded in the cover of darkness, approaches a homeowner's door and presses the doorbell, claiming to be a neighbor. However, the homeowner's instinct for security kicks in as they ask probing questions about the stranger's presence at such an hour. The tension escalates as the conversation unfolds, and the homeowner issues a stern warning, threatening to call the authorities if the uninvited visitor doesn't depart.
Hello, neighbor.
Can I help you? Huh?
Treat.
What?
Treat.
I don't understand what you're saying. You need to leave. You need to leave.
My mom. My sister here.
I will call 911. You need to leave.
I called 911 already. They said come and get my mom.
Okay, you want me to call for you?
Yes.
Okay. You don't need to wait here.
I'm going to wait for my mom.
Wait for your mom.
I don't see her in the house.
Yeah, this isn't your house.
You going to be my dog? Hey?
No.
I'll be back.
Weirdo.
In this intriguing Ring doorbell moment, a woman stands before a residence, engrossed in a phone conversation, her true intentions masked. As she speaks, her actions become increasingly puzzling, culminating in a series of heavy knocks on the door. What happens next will leave you in suspense, as she abruptly departs and navigates the surrounding environment with a sense of patient intrigue.
Yeah. Okay. Oh yeah, it is. And the windows are open. Oh, wait a minute. Take that right back.
In this mysterious Ring doorbell moment, we capture a woman's unusual late-night visit to a home. With an intriguing device in hand, she approaches the front door, her actions raising questions about her intentions. Methodically, she uses the device to repeatedly check the security level of the door, leaving us to wonder about the secrets she may be seeking or the vulnerabilities she may be probing. In this intense Ring doorbell footage, a man walks up to the door with apparent intentions to gain entry, but before he can proceed, he's swiftly confronted by the homeowner. What unfolds in this moment is a tense standoff as the intruder steps back, realizing that his actions are not going unnoticed.
Yo, oh man, everything cool? Yeah. I was telling him I'll check on the land long as everything running electric man. It's electric water pump.
In this heart-pounding Ring doorbell footage, we capture a chilling scene of a man's nighttime burglary attempt. Armed with tools, he's determined to breach the sanctity of a home. However, just as he begins his illicit endeavor, an unexpected sound from within the house sends shockwaves through his spine. Watch as fear and panic grip him, forcing a hasty escape under the cover of darkness. In this intriguing and mysterious Ring doorbell footage, we capture an enigmatic visitor's unexpected arrival at a residence. The man's intentions remain concealed as he discreetly approaches the front door. With deliberate caution, he tests the doorknob, possibly hoping to find it unlocked. What unfolds next is a puzzling pause, as he lingers for a moment before deciding to depart.
Hi, do you need help with something?
I forgot the code.
I need you to leave the property right now, or I'm going to call Anaheim Police Department. I need you to leave the property immediately.
This is your property?
Yes, this is. We live in the property. I need you to leave right now, please. Do not come back on the property.
In this gripping and high-stakes Ring doorbell footage, a man boldly ventures onto a homeowner's property, searching for items with unclear intentions. However, the situation takes a dramatic turn as the vigilant homeowner quickly confronts the intruder, delivering a stern ultimatum to leave before the authorities are called.
I came through the alley and I dropped something. I dropped my $20 bill.
Well, if you came through the alley, you didn't drop it on my porch. You need to get off my property. I'm calling the cops.
Okay, and the cops will tell you the same thing. I dropped something, I'm looking for it. I'm homeless and it's all I have to feed myself. So
As we approach the end of this video, I just wanted to say, if you've enjoyed the thrills and chills, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more hair-raising content. Remember to leave a comment, share with your friends, and hit that like button to help spread the fear.